Welcome to N2 Academy. In this video, you will get vocabulary part 2 exercises of class 11 compulsory English. Before this, I recommend you to watch my part 1 video where I have included the vocabularies from lesson 1 to 5. Here, in this part 2, you will get from lesson 6 to 10. Please visit N2 Academy, typing N2 Academy in the search bar and then go to playlist under class 11 compulsory English and watch as per your interest. Let's start our today's discussion about the topic vocabulary part 2. Vocabulary unit 6 5 marks question. Number 1, 10 words in the bold face in the text correspond to the definitions below. Match the definitions with the corresponding words. A number, nevertheless, Nepali meaning is je bhaye tapani its meaning is in spite of what has just been said or referred to. B number, urge, this is Nepali meaning agraha, meaning is a strong desire of impulse. C number, determination, drid sankalpa, meaning is the ability to continue trying to do something although it is very difficult. Now D number, highlighted, dhyanakarsan garne, the meaning is to attract attention to or emphasize something important. Once again, A number, nevertheless, je bhaye tapani in Nepali, the meaning is in spite of what has just been said or referred to. B number, urge, agraha, a strong desire of impulse. C number, determination, drid sankalpa, the meaning is the ability to continue trying to do something although it is very difficult. D number, highlighted, ध्यान आकर्षण गर्ने, the meaning is to attract attention to or emphasize something important. E number, bickering, jhagada, arguing about things that are not important. F number, deprivation, vanchit, the meaning is not having things or conditions that are usually considered necessary. Similarly, G number, persist, jari राख्नु, the meaning is continue to exist. Yes number, flap, झुलेको मासुको भाग, the meaning is such loose flesh on a person's body. I number, boost, बढाउनु, the meaning is to improve or increase something. J number, restriction, the meaning is pratibandha in Nepali or limiting condition on something. Once again from the beginning, E number, bickering, jhagada, arguing about things that are not important. Similarly, F number, deprivation, vanchit, its English meaning is not having things or conditions that are usually considered necessary. G number, persist, jari राख्नु, the meaning in English is continue to exist. S number, flap, झुलेको मासुको भाग, the meaning in English is such loose flesh on a person's body. I number, boost, बढाउनु, English meaning is to improve or increase something. J number, restriction, Nepali meaning pratibandha, in English we say a limiting condition on something. Learning vocabulary unit 7. A number, match the words with their meanings. Number 1, constituency, this is Nirvachan Kshetra, electoral district. Number 2, pursue, this is anusaran garnu, to follow in an effort to overtake or capture. Number 3, infiltrate, घुसपैठ, this is to enter or gain access to an organization, place, etc. secretly and gradually. Number 4, nomadic, meaning घुमन्ते, living the life of roaming. Number 5, anatomy, sharir rachna, the meaning is art of studying the different parts of any organized body. Number 6, subversive, this is vinashkari, seeking or intended to overthrow an established system or institution. Learning vocabulary unit 8. A number, match the following. A number, deplore, असहमति व्यक्त गर्नु, to feel or express strong disapproval of something. B number, juju, tabiz, a charm or fetish used by some West African peoples. C number, crude, kora, natural state. D number, transcendental, adhyatmic, spiritual, non-physical or mystical. E number, chronicle, क्रमिक विवरण or written record of historical events. F number, absolve, समाधान, set free from blame, guilt or responsibility. Once again, A number, deplore, असहमति व्यक्त गर्नु, its meaning is to feel or express strong disapproval of something. B number, juju, tabiz, a charm or fetish used by some West African people. C number, crude, kora, natural state. D number, transcendental, adhyatmic, its meaning is spiritual, non-physical or mystical. E number, chronicle, its Nepali meaning is क्रमिक विवरण or written record of historical events. F number absolve, samadhan. Its English meaning is set free from blame, guilt or responsibility. Now B number, find the contextual meanings of the following words from the text and then use them in sentences of your own. A number, contempt, घृणा गर्नु, to express strong disapproval. He was very impressed by the man because he listened and did not condemn. Similar B number, terror, atanka, great fear, panic or dread is the meaning. Now its sentence is the great terror of our age is age. Similar to C number, unbidden, nanimtyaieko, not invited or asked. Unbidden guest came at the party then invited. D number, persist, this is jari rakhnu, to continue, to exist or occur. Its sentence is, if the problem persists, have it looked and listened to your body. E number, devout, deeply religious. He was devout Christian. Banish, F number, to expel from a place or to exile. John was banished from India. G number, creed, Biswas, any set of beliefs or principles. I think that is very different from dress or religion or creed. Yes number, Hassan, हतार गर्नु, hurry up, speed up. I hasten to add that we are just good friends. I number, sober, serious and thoughtful. Its Nepali meaning is Santa. There is a new development, he said soberly. Now J number, scorn, अपमान, to treat or regard with contempt. He became the object of ridicule and scorn. K number, yearning, गहिरो चाहना, deep desire or longing. I had a strong yearning for learning computer. L number, aloof, eklo, not very friendly. He seemed aloof and detached. M number, swarthy, kalo chala, a person having a dark skinned face is the meaning. Its sentence is, he had broad swarthy face. Similarly, N number, humbler, namra, not proud, modest. He works as a humbler teacher. Now unit 9, A number, find the words from the text that mean the same as the following. The first letters are given. A number, the system that completely separated black people from white people. This is apartheid, Rangabhed. B number, formal objection is protest, Birod. Number C, an ethical group of people is tribe, Janajati. D number, an act undertaken to achieve a set goal. Its meaning is campaign, Abhiyan. E number, the formal beginning of any movement is inauguration, Udghatan. F number, a strong feeling of excitement and happiness is, this is exhilaration, Khushi, Ramayo. G number, being set free from legal, social or political restrictions is emancipation. This is Mukti. Similarly, number A, apartheid. Number B, protest. C, tribe. D, campaign. E number, inauguration. F number, exhilaration. Number G, emancipation. Now B number, find these words in a dictionary and write their meanings as they are used in the text. Number A, liberty, swatantrata. Its sentence is, meaning is freedom from control or restriction. Similarly, B number, conflict, dondha, or serious disagreement and argument about something. Number C, ideology, vichardhara, siddhant also, a set of beliefs, especially the political beliefs on which people, parties or countries base their actions. Number D, operation daman. Its meaning is the cruel or unfair treatment of people. Now E number, privilege, suvidha. Its meaning is a special right or advantage that only one person or group has. F number, dignity, samman. Its meaning is valuable and worthy of respect. Number G, surrender, atma samarpan. Its meaning is to give up or abandon. Yes number, reconciliation, mel milap. The meaning is the state of being reconciled, reunion. Now unit 10. A number, fill in the blanks with an appropriate word from the box. Irritation, चिड़चिड़ाहट, huddled up, नजिकै आयो, awkwardly अनौठो, पाराले futile व्यर्थ, grating झुकाव, mumbling गनगन गर्दै, feebly कमजोर. These are the words. A number, all my efforts to convince her for the tour were futile. B number, the last traveler huddled up under a shelter made of branches and leaves. C number, her rude behavior was the main cause of irritation for him. D number, she moved awkwardly in the room thinking that I was watching. E number, she is mumbling something but I can't hear her. F number, when I met my sister after a long time, she talked to me in a feeble voice. Now B number, tick the correct words that are similar in meaning to the underlined words. A number, Rupa studied science reluctantly due to her father's pressure. The words are eagerly, unwillingly, willingly, enthusiastically. The correct answer is unwillingly. B number, she moved her fingers exasperatedly through her hair. The words are pleasingly, calmingly, passionately, annoyingly. The right answer is annoyingly. C number, my grandmother is over 80. She lifted her hands feebly. The words are strongly, robustly, weakly, firmly. The correct answer is weakly. D number, she is wearing a tattered shawl. I number, old, torn, dirty, branded. Its correct answer is torn. E number, I have to work at 2 jobs to make ends meet in this expensive city. I number, earn much money, spend much money. Third number, live on money, on just enough money. Right answer is on just enough money. Thank you very much. Keep watching my video, but don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel N2 Academy. Thank you everybody.